Kodwa bafethu, ngiyethemba ukuthi niyakhuleka nisiphethe kahle niyazinakekela. Nginombuzo la. Ngabe bafethu sigcine nini ugcine nini ukuthi nje you know what, out of all the confusion that is happening la emhlabeni, out of everything eyenzakalayo, uhambe uyohlala phansi and have a conversation nawe, uzibuze imibuzo deep ukuthi uzama ukusithola ukuthi kahle kahle out of bonke abantu abaphilayo emhlabeni mina ngubani. What is the real purpose for me to exist in this physical realm? Ngabe ugcine nini ukusifuna nje uzusithola ukuthi you know what, I just want to know and understand who is this person. You understand? Because I believe a lot of people are confused by lama vessel la. You understand? Lemzimba ikhohlisa abantu abaningi, then they thought ukuthi bayileyo nto leyo. Cha. They forget ukuthi the only real you is within. What we see or what you see, it is just a vessel that represents what is within. If ungakahlali phansi waba neqiniso, because I believe ukuthi the only person who can tell you the truth is yourself, no one else. And I believe ukuthi the only person who can understand you, who can understand your pain, who can understand your wishes and your dreams is yourself, not anyone else. The problem is that thina abantu sifuna ukutshelwa ngabanye abantu ukuthi thina sifanelwe yini, ikuphi thina esingakhona ukwenza, ukuphi esingeke sikhona ukwenza. But mina, let me tell you ukuthi you can also do it now, and in fact you don't need anyone to tell you what to do. The validation that you need from someone else, it is something that you can do right now yourself. Sometimes you need to just sit down and find a quiet place usithole wena, because I think that's the thing eyenza ukuthi thina sisikhohle ukuthi how powerful we are. I think iyona nto esilimithayo singabantu kube neminyaka singakhona ukuyikokota usifinyelele kuyona, because thina silindele abanye abantu ukuthi basitshele ukuthi thina asikhoni kangakanani or singamafeyila kangakanani. But mina, I just want to remind you ukuthi you are more than what you think you are, and you can do beyond what you think you can do. Sifune mfana kithi usithole, and that's how you will realize how powerful you are.